Hey, dirty Jamaica, you kiss your thinking teeth. Go, hey, I'm me alone for the brush teeth, you know. Hey, come on for this. I'm me alone no brush teeth and no beard. You can't go and care things you saw. Cause you're yard. Oh. Anyway, guys. Babe, come, hey, big head.
Yeah, man.
Ciao. Alright, we're ready. Now, guys, here one now. I want this loud and clear and I hope it a scream record. Guys, this is a prank. I can't keep up in that one, not a inch more. It's just a prank, guys. I mean, we can't keep it up an inch more because yo, human want to kill him. Human feels serious of me, human in our feelings, yo. And me, you know, I go through a heartbreak to blood clot when then this use my Ross. Guys, me not lie to you. Me I got through a piece of blood, not heartbreak where them this use me. Have him get you and murder this. And me a little thing girl I get mad. Guys, LD, you know, I'm a friend. I'm a friend to the end. I'm a friend. And I'm a man. You understand me? So sorry, me know enough of you who just love me. Who that just say, okay, yeah, honey, we love you for everything. Now call Jaden over here. We don't want you none from Jaden for Jaden cut him off my head top.
Yes,
it's just a prank, guys. I promise you no. Elena, tell them about the prank, no man. I'm an artist.
Man, prank, man. You see me?
Make them know the artist.
Yeah, man. Fully.
Fully.
Yeah, man.
Guys, I'm an artist.
Mad, man.
Crazy here. I'm an artist. I believe in him. I believe in him dream. I'm just tell myself, say, okay, then do this scene because I need you guys to know the artist. You get what I say? Right? Right. That's a fully active.
In a real life.
Right? Yeah, man, mommy. In mother, moms. Moms, me not touch your boy Pitney. Mommy, me not touch your boy Pitney. Moms, me not touch your boy Pitney. Oh God, man. Oh God, guys. You know, see me this get heartbreak, man. And man use me, man. Oh, no, I'm so me no found no like me, you know. Understand that, man. Me get, yo, man, use me, bro.
Yeah, in a real life. In a real life.
I say me I go on my backup page.
Eh?
But them know say me I go on my backup page.
Oh yeah. On backup page there, guys. I'm gonna go follow Annie backup page. Yeah. Everybody.
Go for me at that page.
Guys, go for Annie at the backup page. Jaja Father. Jaja Father. Jaja Father. I say go man anyway. Guys, you know go follow Annie page. Annie backup page. Everybody go over there go follow. Make sure you follow up Annie page, backup page. So go over her page. Now go see and post. Yeah. She post it on her page, so if I want to go now see name.
Follow me, make you come. Let me see my crib.